Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will be diving into the fascinating topic of the health benefits of sex. Did you know that engaging in sexual activity can actually have significant positive effects on your overall health and well-being? It's true. Numerous studies have shown that there are countless benefits to be gained from a healthy sex life. Regular sexual activity has been found to boost the immune system, improve heart health, and reduce the risk of certain diseases. One of the key benefits of sex is its ability to reduce stress and promote relaxation. Engaging in sexual activity releases endorphins, which are known as the feel-good hormones. These endorphins help to lower stress levels, improve mood, and increase feelings of happiness and contentment. Furthermore, sex can also be a fantastic form of exercise. It can help to burn calories, tone muscles, and improve overall physical fitness. Not only does it provide a great cardiovascular workout, but it can also strengthen pelvic floor muscles and improve flexibility. In addition to the physical benefits, sex is also known to have a positive impact on mental health. It can enhance self-esteem, boost confidence, and improve body image. Engaging in sexual activity promotes intimacy, releases oxytocin, the bonding hormone, and strengthens emotional connections with your partner. It's important to note that the health benefits of sex are not limited to heterosexual relationships. Regardless of your sexual orientation or relationship status, you can still enjoy the physical and emotional advantages that come with a healthy and consensual sex life. So, whether you're looking to improve your immune system, reduce stress, or simply enjoy the many pleasures that sex has to offer, we invite you to explore this video. Join us as we delve deeper into the fascinating world of the health benefits of sex. Remember, taking care of your sexual health is just as important as taking care of your physical and mental well-being. So, embrace the power of a healthy sex life and reap the many benefits it has to offer. Subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one, and be sure to hit the like button if you found this content valuable. We appreciate your support.